Alright, me again. Now it's leaking in the rear. Look at that. Look at that. Right here. First I'm gonna check if the seal's bad. There's something's going on there. Alright. So far I use a number 11 to take these screws out. There you go, almost out. Someone already had that out because it has all that dope, anti-seize. Look at that. That's a nut that vibrated loose. Shaking my head. Chingo. There you go. Now it's time to check if the seal's good. It still looks good. I'm just gonna tighten down the nut. It's been out before because it has anti-seize. That wasn't me, I tell you that, but I use a lot of that stuff when I do mechanical work on vehicles. I use that too. Make it easier on the next guy. But he must not have tightened it down. Like this side, he didn't tighten it down either with vibrated loose. I don't know, but I'll put it back together. It requires a 32 metric deep socket. I used a pipe wrench to hold down on this while I tighten the nut, since I'm here by myself. My son's at school, his first day of freshman. There you go, put it back together. Now I gotta fill up the reservoir. But I'm running out of time. I need to go pick up my son from school. They have open house today from 4 to 6. There's that fill cap. Make sure I don't fuck it up like I did last time. I took the wrong plug out. It was a screw, but I managed to put it back in. Front differential. Right now I'm doing the rear. This one uses a 3/8 dry ratchet. Look at that. Get that plug. Left over from last one. Okay, I filled some up. Whatever was in there. Need to go buy some more. But it was making a loud humming noise. Every time I decelerate it, boom, real loud noise. When I downshifted too, it's making an ugly noise. Gonna need new shocks, and of course new brakes too. There you go. I'm gonna turn it on and then go take a shower and go to get my boy and go check out the high school.